Hello, this is Jason with LMGI. This is the third movie in a series. We're going to now take a look at how NXCMM can help you analyze your measurements that you receive from CMM data. There are some really nice tools. We'll begin with reading in a DML file. So if we right-click, you can see that I've already browsed out to one. You can choose many display options here and specify the folder and the file format, and then it's a simple matter of just loading. The information window will tell us how many points were loaded for a quick check, and then we can close this. So immediately you would want to notice we get status for each feature. If they pass, they get the green check mark. If they're a fail, they get the red X. And you can go ahead and just touch each one of those, and you'll get some feedback. The red plane is a plane that's recreated from the measurement points. You can actually go ahead and if you want to rerun that with different settings, you can do that. Just unload it and load it again. And now we don't, you see we don't get our planes now. A little bit cleaner interface. You'll actually see a difference in the points. It's a little easier if you switch to a wireframe view, and if you can display both the theoretical perfect points from the design model and also the measured points to give you a sense for the deviation. We can also analyze this information. So if you right click, there's also buttons up here. You could also use inspection analyze. You can get a nice, it's a text-based report that you could do with whatever you like. It's going to give you all the results, pass or fail, deviations, things like that. You could parse that any way that you wanted to. And then you can also create a graphical report. So if we choose Insert, Graphical Report, and I'll grab, let's see, there's a couple of failures here. We'll grab Feature Control Frame 28 and maybe 31. So if you wanted to document this, you could create a graphical report, and now that's captured right within the NX file. You can double click that and make changes to it, and you can go ahead and output that graphical report in whatever format you want. PDF is kind of pretty well accepted, so I've already done this, so it's asking me if I want to overwrite it. And there's an example of the results. So a great way to capture deviation and maybe send that off to the customer and see if it's within an acceptable limit, or if they'd accept it the way it is, or what have you. So that's the end of the the series. Wrapping up with NXCMM. Here we did the last stage where we imported the DML. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today.